In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Reports module effectively, with a focus on accessing and customizing the general ledger. Understanding how to generate and tailor this report is an essential skill that can significantly enhance your financial oversight and decision-making processes. So, let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, we'll start by going over to the Reports module. On the left-hand side of your screen is a sidebar that's your gateway to everything in your accounting software. Find the Reports option and give it a click. This will open up your Reports dashboard, presenting you with a variety of reports to choose from. Next, we'll zero in on the General Ledger. Within the Accountant section, you should see an option labeled General Ledger. Click on it to proceed. The General Ledger is your comprehensive record of all your financial transactions. So naturally, it's going to be a tool you want to familiarize yourself with. Now, let's set the date range for the ledger you wish to view. You have two options here. You can either select a preset date range, which offers you choices like the last quarter or the current year, or you can opt for a custom date range that allows you to specify exact start and end dates. Simply select the option that best suits your needs. This is particularly useful for focusing on specific timeframes in your financial data, giving you more precise insights. After setting your date range, it's time to run the report. You'll find the Run Report button prominently displayed. Give it a click, and watch as your general ledger report is generated right before your eyes. This step is straightforward but essential as it compiles all the relevant financial data into a format that's easy to analyze. Now, let's talk about customizing the view, which is an optional but highly beneficial step. Say you want to tailor the report to better fit your specific needs. You can do this by clicking on the Show Hide Columns option. This allows you to add or remove any fields from the report. For instance, if you want to include details like opening balance and closing balance, all you need to do is double-click on these options to add them to your view. This customization empowers you to highlight whatever information is most pertinent to your analysis. Furthermore, you can personalize the layout by dragging and dropping the columns, arranging them in the order that best suits your workflow or presentation needs. This gives you complete control over how your report appears and functions, ensuring that it provides exactly the information you need when you need it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to access, generate, and customize the General Ledger report to suit your financial analysis needs. This process not only helps you to stay on top of your accounting, but also enables you to present data in a clear and effective manner. Thank you for joining me today, and happy reporting.